Hello guys, today we're going to show you how to use ChatGPT to get solution. So all we need solution for keyword. So I need to use this prompt. I need ten super keywords. Keywords in SEO. Type YouTube channel. Niche is marketing. So we have here in niche marketing, we have 10 powerful keywords: digital marketing, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, online business, make money online, marketing strategy, SEO tips, content marketing, passive income. So you can combine them. This is the short keywords and this is the long keywords. Digital marketing tips for beginners, affiliates, YouTube, growth online business. So let's try this. Digital marketing on SEO tips. Try this keyword. Boom. So let's see. Remove. This is the short. So this the personal what search in this month, or people what search SEO tips for YouTube video, SEO tips for YouTube, SEO for YouTube channel, SEO for YouTube video. So I choose videos, SEO for videos, YouTube channel, and YouTube. So this guy, he have 300,000 views. This YouTube SEO secrets will keyword. And let's see the other guys. Best SEO, rank 1. We have Van. No, Yuri Van, he's good. This guy, he's good YouTubers. So guys, this is the idea. We'll talk about the next idea in the next time. Thank you.